Adventure if you can. Hey everybody, so our journey continues here in the Valley of Fire, which is in Nevada. It's about, I don't know, 45 minutes or so north of Vegas. It's fantastic. If you've never been here, I 100% recommend it. Just really crazy rocks in the middle of the desert, you know, just a good scene. Continuing the journey onto Crater Lake. Today we'll be stopping in Utah to get some truck action going on. And then the journey will continue. So let's go. So we continue the story here in Utah at my favorite gym in the planet, my brother's gym. So when you have the opportunity, especially when you're a nomad, 100% use great gyms, especially when you love them. So let's get to it. Look at these shiny new tires. You know, when you're out being a nomad, sometimes you just wake up with amazing, amazing views. This is my office. This is why being a nomad and taking journeys is just fantastic. Hey everybody, while I was at my favorite gym yesterday in Utah, I also picked up my favorite brother.
Yeah, be careful. We have another brother. Bobby, he doesn't mean it.
No, I don't mean it. What I mean to say is my favorite brother that's here right now in Nevada. You know, that's a hint, Bobby. You could come and join us on this amazing journeys because it's a good time. We just had our first night camping. It's amazing. Like, Nevada is fantastic. I would not have thought that it was this pretty out here. But anyway, we're continuing our journey north, and I just wanted to say hey and actually say my brother is here.
All right, let's go on the road.
Something I was not expecting to drive past, the Pony Express Trail. Look at that. Welcome to Idaho. So I'm riding my bike here on break in this amazing place of Craters of the Moon National Monument here in Idaho, which I didn't even want to come to. Like, I wanted to go to Crater Lake, which I'm still going to Crater Lake, but my brother was like, have you ever been here? And I'm like, no. So here we are. And wow, it's totally amazing. I just climbed up this like short 0.2 mile, you know, incline, which was pretty steep, and I'm very glad to be up here. But just wanted to say, the adventure continues. You got to come outside because it's amazing. Oh look, a tree! Woohoo! I'm cruising it uphill. So the workday just ended. We're packing up camp, getting out of here. Went for an amazing bike ride here in wherever this is, National Monument thing with the lava rocks. I will say this, like, this park was quite accessible for people with mobility issues. Like, there's a lot of sidewalks, a lot of pavement. So if you got mobility issues, definitely come to Craters of the Moon in Idaho. It's very, very mobility friendly. So that's it. I'm gonna go a little further north and let's see where this takes us. Let's go.